Vitamins and minerals are essential for our bodies in order to develop and function normally. On almost every corner of the internet, you see ads for all kinds of supplements. But the question is, do we really need to take supplements, even with a healthy diet? The answer is yes, and here is why. The soil is depleted. Over the years, the economic industry has started to play an increasingly important role in agriculture. The downside of mass production and sales optimization is soil depletion. As a result, crops are losing their nutrients more and more every day. Processed food. Today, most of the products you can find at a supermarket are being processed. And during this production process, nutrients disappear and chemicals are added. Less local production. The road from the land to your plate is getting longer and longer. Every day that passes after the harvest, fruits and vegetables lose some of their nutritional values. It is still best to get your fruit and vegetables from the local farmer. Hormonal imbalance. More and more people are struggling with hormonal imbalance. Men, women, old and young. And one of the important causes is a lack of the right nutrients. Our body is able to convert certain nutrients into hormones, and it's not surprising that a lack of this causes an imbalance. Unfortunately, there are also more and more hormone disrupting substances in plastic, medicines, sweeteners, and dyes. Less fresh air. While we were almost always outside during our millions of years of evolution, today we are mainly inside. A lot of people have vitamin D deficiency because of that. Sunlight is an extremely important source of vitamin D. Free radicals, toxins, and chemicals. How healthy you eat, how much you exercise, how often you meditate, we all have to deal with free radicals. And in the first place, we find these toxic substances in cosmetics, smoke, air pollution, and heavy metals. Fortunately, our body does everything it can to get rid of these free radicals. However, this requires a lot of energy, and we need nutrients for energy. Low-grade ignition. Many of us today, consciously or not, suffer from low-grade inflammation. Our immune system is constantly active, and the body is constantly calling for extra nutrients and uses a lot of energy. Stress. Healthy eating does not guarantee the absorption of these nutrients. Our digestion plays an important role in this, and currently many people suffer from a poorly functioning digestive system due to high levels of stress. So we can conclude that a healthy food alone is not enough. Supplements are a great addition to prevent you from getting a lack of vitamins and minerals. However, it is really important that you buy a good quality, because most of the supplements on the market are simply clutter. Cheap supplements often contain inorganic minerals that are difficult to absorb, such as carbonates, phosphates, and oxides. Important ratios between substances are also not always correct with cheap brands, and are often contained with fillers and hidden chemicals. Stay happy, healthy, and thank you for watching.